Right everyone, absolute madness tonight. I'm in the shed and I just want to do random crap. So, doing a bit of a tiger facey type thing at the moment. However, I'm intrigued. When we're doing raster engraving, does it engrave on bacon? So, I think the answer is going to be yes. I'm going to turn the power up. Just processing. This might take a while, but I'm just gonna do this. My son-in-law's gonna go bonkers this, but yeah, this is just me being totally random. So hopefully we'll get some form of tiger face. Here we go. Oh, this is gonna smell so good. Oh, it is smelling good. Brilliant. Right, I'll come back. In fact, no, it's not. It's actually smelling like burnt bacon. But never mind. Regardless, once this is done, I'm going to fry it and I will eat it. Stay tuned. Right, just an update, folks. No word of a lie. This is the most disgusting thing I've ever done. It's just wrong. The smell is disgusting. I love bacon, but my God, this is evil. Just for anyone considering doing this, don't bother unless you want to throw up. I've got the extractor fan on and it's just wrong. But anyway, as promised, I'll continue. Once this is done, I'm going to fry it and eat it, and I'll tell you what it's like. See you later, back. Right, hello folks. So, in the conservatory at the moment, because no word of a lie, I've just had to come out because I thought I was going to be sick. I've just phoned my son-in-law and I'm going to go back in. And this, if you ever want to know what laser engraving bacon's like, it's like this. Oh, it's fucking, it's wrong. Oh, it's so wrong. I'll show you what it looks like, but I can't stay in here. It's horrible. How do I turn my camera around? So there we go. That's what laser engraved bacon looks like. Well, this is just so wrong. Oh, just don't do it, please. It's not good for bacon.